about mail troubleshooting and as well as what is Office 365, why we are using, and for a demonstration purpose, for a practice purpose, right? I have just given to you how would you create your own ID, your own account in Office 365. Correct. Inside Office 365, how would you create your own account? So I hope guys, all of you have created your account in Office 365.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, first of all, after creation account on Office 365, actually Office 365 is very big. Okay, lot of services, lot of options because it's a cloud service. Correct. But for you, only the user management is the important part. User management and their policy, user creation, user policies, and user testing that a policy that you are applying it's working or not, right? So it's okay, it's only important for you. Okay, for you. So because the basics is important. Okay. So see, after creation account in Office 65, what is the important thing? So after creation account in Office 65, correct. After creation account in a Office 365, we have a topic of user management. User management in Office 365. How would you manage the users? So you see, if you want to manage the users, so first of all, what is the work? Number one thing is a create a user, right? Create a user. Okay. And assign them a license. Which license? E3 license, right? This is our first one.
Yes, sir.
So let's start now because the thing is only practical today. Basic practical, okay, very easy thing, but it's important. So I'm going to log in first of all. Right, so anyone remember what is my mail ID? So this is my default mail ID basically, right? Which is by default login. Okay, I need to log out from every account one by one. So just give me a few seconds so that I will be login. Sorry, means I will log out from every account and okay, and we'll log in with the account that yesterday we have created. Okay, so now, okay, I got login, means log out from my every account. Now I will log in. I will login करने जा रहा हूँ. Okay, what is the account that yesterday we have created? So what I did, okay, I took a screenshot actually.
Tarun Mishra, e-Vigilance.
No, exact. We need a exact. I have. Don't worry. I took a screenshot. Okay, this was the mail ID. Mr. evision IT674, right? The number is important. Right. So this is me as an admin. It is 674 dot on Microsoft.com. See, so I got log on as an admin. Right. Now I need to access my admin portal, right? So how would I access my admin portal? Okay. So click on okay, dot, click on admin. So this is the Office 65 admin center. Right. Now guys, number one task, we have a user management, right? You are seeing a clear option because it's a GUI. So all of you are able to see a clear option user management. Right. So first of all, we need to add a user. So I'm going to click on a user section. Then I'm going to click on a active user. Okay. And I'm checking how many users is active. So no, this is a different mail ID here. Okay, just give me a second. I got okay, I need to log out from this ID as well as. Okay. I'm going to again log in. Because okay, multiple ID I'm using now. So all the ID one by one I need to log out, then okay, from a new ID I can log in. Now it's a correct mail ID. Okay. I'm going to check first of all. Yeah, correct. This is my mail ID as an admin. I'm going to click on admin. So first of all, what is our first practical? Create a user and give them a license, E365 license. Right. So you are saying this is me as an admin only, right? And I have a license, Office 65 E3 license. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, I want to create a new user. For example, username, I'm giving Amit. Correct. For example, Amit is a user, okay, who is working in a company, and Amit joined a company recently. Correct. So, as an admin, my first responsibility will be add a user Amit here. Okay, because what is the user I will add? Okay, that will be the mail ID as well as for Amit. So I will click on add a user. Okay, add a user. After clicking on add a user, then there is an option here, set up the basics. First name I will give Amit is the first name. The display name will automatically take Amit. What is the username? It's a username plus domain will be the mail ID of Amit. Remember, so username will be Amit. So Amit mail ID would be Amit@evasion9674.onmicrosoft.com. Okay. So okay, then I'm getting an option automatically. Okay, automatically get a password. No, I want as an admin manually I will set a password for Amit. So I will uncheck this one and I'm setting a password for Amit. So that okay, and and this password I will give to Amit. Okay, I given a password Amit at Outlook @123 as an example. And then I'm getting options require this user to change their password when the first signing. No, I want user would not be able to change a password. Okay, and guys, this kind of things I will create according to a company policies, and different company having a different policies. Okay, so I will uncheck, will click next. Now I need to select a location, means Amit. Okay, Amit works in which location? As we know that Amit is the user, right? If Amit is working in a USA, so I will give the location USA. Means nearest to the user location. Location here we need to select. Okay, we need to select a location according to a nearest location to a user. So users के nearest जो location है मुझे वो select करना है. Right. So as I know that Amit is in India, so I will leave it India. Otherwise, I will select according to, because okay, here I am getting all the important countries where Microsoft is providing their services. Right. Okay, and then license is 0. See it carefully. If I will not give a license to Amit, so Amit user will not be able to access Excel, Word, document, PowerPoint and all while in a online. So I will click, okay, I will assign. Correct. See, by default in a free trial, okay, I'm getting a 25 license. Okay, in a free trial for 1 month. Means I can create a 25 users. Okay, and I can provide a 25 license to our users. Okay, see, I'm unchecking and now it's a 24. Why? total licenses are 25. 24 is available because of one license are used by me as an admin, right? In my ID. Correct. So I will give here now it will be 23 because one license as an admin in my account, one license as a user in Amit account, right? Then I will click on next, and then okay, it is asking to me role. Which role you want to give to the Amit? So Amit is a normal user, right? Amit क्या normal user है? So if Amit is a normal user, so I will only give a user access. User no admin center access. Okay, only user access. Now click next. Now finish adding. Now you can review. आप review कर सकते हो. The display name is Amit. Amit username is this one. Correct. I am going to copy this username because of I will show you all the things. Okay. And this is Amit password. Okay. And Amit license assigned 665 E3 license. Now click on close. Amit user has been active user now. Seeing all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now Amit can log in with this mail ID. Okay, log in with this ID in any online portal. And Amit will only get a user access. Okay, let's see. So, okay, I'm going to log in with Amit. Okay, Amit account in where? In Outlook, online Outlook. Okay, Outlook, outlook.com. You can search in a Google or in any browser. Just sign in. And okay, I'm going to sign in with Amit account. Okay, all of you can see it carefully. This is Amit account.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I will click on next. Then I will give the password of Amit. Outlook @123. Click on next. Now, don't show this again. Yes. Now guys, see, this is the online Outlook that Amit is able to access now. See, this is Amit account. Yes. This is Amit mail ID. And okay, and Amit is able to use the Outlook like this. Now see, as an admin, guys, I'm getting a admin center access. But if you will see about Amit, Amit is not able to get an admin center, right? Because Amit is a normal user only. Amit क्या है? सिर्फ एक normal user है. From any department except IT department. Maybe okay, maybe Amit is a part of IT department, but not an admin. I'm the admin. So okay. So now what Amit want to access online, Amit can access. Amit, okay, Amit want to access Excel, MS Excel. So okay, Amit will click on Excel. Now Amit, okay, Amit want to save some document. Now see how much good the Office 365 service. Okay, click on close. Now, for example, okay, Amit is writing something. Okay, I'm writing some random. Okay, so something randomly. Okay, I'm writing. Okay, and guys, it will auto save. You are saying saved. What I will write, okay, it will automatically save. मैं जो भी लिखूंगा वो auto save हो जाएगा. But in a offline Excel and all, we need to save it manually, right? For example, you are writing something in Excel, okay, in your laptop and desktop. Suddenly power cut, laptop goes off, desktop goes off. So what you have written, if you haven't saved, all the things will erase.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But here it will not like that. Okay, it will auto save. Now, guys, I haven't saved now. I just written. Now I'm going to cut. Okay, मैं सब कुछ कर दे रहा हूँ. I'm going to again open Excel. I will find that the particular document has been saved. See, Amit files, right?
Yes, sir.
Amit will click on Amit files. Amit will be rewrite to OneDrive. See, Amit can be rewrite हो गया OneDrive because by default all the data, Outlook data, okay, Outlook data, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, all the data will save in a OneDrive, which is a cloud service from the Microsoft. Like Google having a Google Drive, Microsoft having a OneDrive. Okay, here Amit will get 1 TB of data, means storage. 1 TB. You can understand how much. Okay, in a free trial, it's a 1 GB. In a free trial, there is a 1 GB of space. But the company will having a license, according to that, storage will be fulfilled. And max to max will be the 1 TB. and you can understand 1 TB data storage for office document is literally very big, right?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes,
every
sir.
user, not a single, for every user. If in my admin portal I have a 500 user, okay, I have a kind of subscription. Due to that, I have 500 users. All the 500 users having a E3 license. So 1 TB every user will get. Correct. Now see, now Amit will click on the file and see, Amit is able to access. It's saved automatically. ये सब कुछ automatically save, right? Now, for example, Amit want to access now Word, MS Word. Okay, Amit will click on Word and we write something. Okay. For example, okay, Amit is writing. Okay, I'm writing something. Okay, I don't know what I'm writing. Okay, I'm just pressing in the keyboard. Correct. Amit is written something. Now Amit don't to save. Okay, if okay, directory cut, everything cut. Right. Amit will again go to their Word. See, Amit files. Amit will click on document or Amit file. Directory is able to access. And even we have, okay, here we have a facility. Amit can share a link of this document to anyone, and the person can edit and can only view. For example, for this document, okay, I'm sending a link. मैं इस document का link send कर रहा हूँ. Okay. Okay, Amit can save in our local system as well as correct as okay as you're able to see. Okay, if Amit want to send a link of this document, okay, so Amit will go to OneDrive. Amit को OneDrive पे जाना होगा. Okay, and this document link. Okay, Amit will right click. Amit will click on copy link. When okay, when okay, Amit will click on copy link. You are saying anyone can edit. Okay, Amit can give a permission that a person can only view. We don't need to send it through pen drive and all mail. No, Amit can directly send a link. Okay, I only want allow editing. No, block down. Okay, I am blocking the downloading. Means you can't download this file. You can only view. आप सिर्फ देख सकते हो इसे. Even okay, I can set a expiration date that tomorrow this okay. Tomorrow this link will be expired for you. Whatever I want. Otherwise, Amit only want to send a document to their company employee. Right? Amit will click on people in Evision IT. Means can only okay. Amit can okay send this document to the specific people who are a part of their company. Okay, I'm giving anyone with the link. Okay, as an example, I block a downloading. Okay, and I'm setting some password. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Click on apply. Now I'm going to copy. Guys, I'm sending a link to you. Okay, मैं आपको link भेज रहा हूँ. Okay, this document. Okay, you can only access this document. Please check it. Please open this link and tell me what you are able to access. आपको क्या access हो रहा है?
Sir, asking for password.
So give the password 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4,
sir.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That I set it. तो मैंने set किया just now.
Only able to read, sir.
Only
We
read
can't.
because I give only read permission.
Yes.
Now I'm giving a write permission. Okay, अब मैं आपको write permission देता हूँ. Okay. Write permission plus okay, allow editing. ठीक है, मैं allow editing कर देता हूँ. Okay, block downloading. नहीं मैं okay. Now again okay. Now this okay, again I am sending a link to you. Now check this link. check this link. You can edit now.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what you have edited? Okay, please edit something. आप कुछ edit करो. That will update here. Okay, after some time ना.
पासवर्ड एक बार फिर से बोलिएगा सर.
No, मैंने जो सेकंड वाला भेजा है उसमें पासवर्ड नहीं है ना. सेकंड लिंक जो देख मैंने भेजा है वो मैंने बाय डिफॉल्ट भेजा है. इसमें कुछ सिक्योरिटी कुछ नहीं है. Guys, anyone who is editing?
Yes, sir.
Sir, someone is editing it. We can see, sir.
देखता हूँ. देखो आपने कुछ रीड किया है क्या? देखो
Yes.
देखो किसने किसने क्या किया वो भी दिख गया. सत्यम
So that yes,
यहाँ पे है ना.
yes, sir.
अगर मेरी कंपनी का कोई बंदा एडिट करेगा, ओके, इफ एनी पर्सन इन माय कंपनी विल एडिट समथिंग, देयर नेम विल शो हियर. ओके, इट्स ओनली शोइंग गेस्ट कंट्रीब्यूटर. ओके, राइट योर नेम. All of you write your name so that I can verify. Satyam Singh, right? See, means what are you writing? Krishna here from Nasik, right? See, you are editing, but I am able to see. Means company official work will be 110%. Anyone can do anything, right?
Yes, sir.
So tell me who is the best? Office 65 Excel, and what is the best, na?
Yes.
Right. See, what are you writing? Is everything is going to edit. आप जो लिखोगे सब कुछ. Okay, I'm able to see here. Okay, even you are able to see my screen. Even you are able to see what other people is writing.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's the use of a cloud. That's a company is preferring cloud service. See, some okay. Triparna, Anjali, Vikram. देखो. See, someone is writing something. So, right. Now, okay, I'm writing. Okay, I'm okay reading something. Are you able to see everything live in your machine?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that's why company is preferring cloud. This is the reason. Now, what I'm doing, I'm going to deny. मैं deny कर देता हूँ. ठीक है? Now I'm going to deny everything. Okay. Now, again I send a link. Access this link and tell me what are you finding. Okay, I will click on stop sharing. Getting why we are using Office 65?
It's showing error.
It's so error because I stopped a share. I stopped share. Okay, the link has been removed. Previous link. This link has been removed. Previous link.
You also set sir expiry link sir, expiry time of link sir. When
Yes,
will
we can say it. We can say it. No, I given on 10. मैंने कल का दिया था. But I have stopped the sharing. That's why.
okay sir.
Because of I have stopped the sharing. Okay, I can delete the files from here. Right, so that's why the company preferring okay, it's a costly service, but for MNC the cost okay doesn't matter. Okay, and all the dated file will save in a recycle bin. Whenever I want, I can
Access.
okay, I can just okay, we'll click on restore. Okay, then will come in my files. So that's why. Correct. Guys, now see. So in this way, we can do okay, we can create a user, we can assign them a permission, right? We can test it because cloud service will work globally or not. Okay, according to the permission. Number second, how would you enable IMAP, POP, and SMTP for Amit? For Amit user, right? Okay, according to my condition. Right. Yes, so if I want to enable IMAP of SMTP, how okay, how would I enable? So okay, we'll click on Amit. Okay, and see, it's showing now Amit last signing is 2:12 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Means as an admin, I can see when Amit has been last signing. Okay, all 30 days activities I can see. 30 दिनों में पूरा activity देख सकता हूँ. Amit first signing in today 2:03 p.m. First signing. Last signing means last Amit has used something. Correct. Now, okay, how would I enable you can say IMAP of SMTP for Amit. So I just double click on Amit. I'm on Amit profile right now. Okay, I'm getting option of mail. In a mail, I will refresh first of all. Otherwise, I need to refresh the full photo. Yes. Okay. Now click on image. Okay, manage email apps. Where? Manage email apps. In a email apps. Okay. Then you are able to see all the things is enabled except authenticated SMTP. Correct. Means Amit can't send a mail to anyone if SMTP is not authenticated, right? Because SMTP is responsible for
Sending mails.
sending, right? So SMTP authenticator is not enabled. I will click here. We'll click on save changes. Now SMTP has been enabled. Correct. Now, for example, guys, okay, because simple practical here. Now see, now Amit is able to use Microsoft Teams, Yammer, SharePoint, all the thing, na? As an admin, I don't want to give a permission of Microsoft Teams and Yammer. To whom? To Amit. मैं अमित को Teams और Yammer का permission नहीं देना चाहता. One node का permission नहीं देना चाहता. Okay, it depends on me. So how would I deny Teams, Yammer for Amit? Correct. Now Amit is able to access not Teams and Yammer. What's happening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amit ID has been logged out. Right. Now, okay, I'm denying the Teams and Yammer permission for Amit. Okay. You are seeing an option licenses and apps. Click here. You are able to see okay, license 365. Okay, I will not. You are saying the trial subscription expire on 8/5 means 8 of May. This will expire because first okay, buy the subscription. If you click on buy the subscription, there will be a charges. Initial purchase date 8/4, expiry date this one. Subscription active. Correct. You can purchase from here. Okay, there will be option here. Okay, I need to add a payment and all. Buy paid subscription now. Buy subscription. Right? Total in okay. See how much amount for two subscription. Okay, full two license. Right now.
Yes, sir.
Then okay, when I buy, this is a company registration number. Okay, I need to give a company GST ID, PAN ID. Okay, but now okay, I'm not going to buy and all. Okay, I'm just showing to you that company is buying these all. Okay. Now, okay, I'm going to deny. Okay, I'm going to deny the okay app. Okay, apps. Deny some apps for Amit. Now third, deny access of Teams and Yammer for Amit user. Okay, how do I deny? Let's see. For denying, we'll click on Amit. We'll click on mail. Sorry, licenses and apps, right? Then apps. Okay, in apps, Amit is getting a okay, Amit is getting a licenses of these things. Amit को ये सब license है. Right. What I want to deny? Yammer Enterprise, right? I will uncheck it. Okay, uncheck Yammer. Then what I want to deny?
SharePoint.
Yammer and
Teams.
Teams,
Teams,
Microsoft Teams.
Teams.
Okay, I can deny anything. Okay, I'm denying Microsoft Teams and Yammer, right? Click on OK. Your changes has been saved, right? Clear option. Okay, now see, if you will check right now, Teams is not allowed, right? And Yammer is not allowed, right? Now you can wait for a 2 to 4 minutes because of changes takes a time in a free trial to apply. Okay, to apply. I'm going to now log in with Amit account. Okay. Okay, I'm testing through auto.com. Okay. I can write excel.com. Delete Excel. Okay, excel.com. I think website is not accessible. Click on sign in. Now I'm going to sign in with Amit account. So Amit should get a deny. What is the Amit mail ID? Amit @ evision IT 674 dot on Microsoft.com. Save. Now I'm giving the password for Amit. So Teams is enabled for Amit. No. Teams and Yammer is disabled, right? And by mistake, what happened with me? I have given a permission for Power Automate free. Okay, I'm disabling this also. Okay, and I'm going. Okay, and I'm going to deny some other permission like. The SharePoint I can't deny because it's a plant too. Yeah, I will get an error like SharePoint will not be denied. Yes. share, okay, if I want to deny SharePoint, okay, अगर मुझे SharePoint deny करना है, so for this I need to deny more things. मुझे और भी चीजें deny करनी होगी. Okay, I need to deny this one. Office of the web. If I will deny now, so Amit will not be able to access anything on a web. The Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Amit cannot access on a web. Okay, but I'm not going to deny. Okay, only Yammer and server have been denied. Right. So now I'm going to Amit account. I'm going to refresh. See, it's not going to remove, right? This option. Why? Because once I will log out, then I will log in. Right now. Because in a cache, in a history, some things are going to take.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I have a small doubt, sir.
Yeah, please ask.
While creating Amit user, then through which account did you log in
The
in
account
Outlook, sir?
that I've created.
Yes, sir.
This account.
No, sir. While creating Amit user in Outlook, through which account did you log in?
Means you are saying that after means when I created a Amit account, correct? After
Yes.
the creation of Amit account, through which account Amit will log in?
Yes, sir.
Through this username and password that I've created.
Okay. sir.
So okay, Amit is getting this access because it will take a time to deny this access. Right. I need to log out, log in again and again, then it will happen. Means okay, and it's a free trial, so it's taking us some more time, you know. Okay, this permission has not been denied. Okay, now okay, if Amit will okay, if Amit will log in, right? Or who are turning on the video? Deny na? Oh, okay, there are an option, power automate something which was clicked by mistake. Okay, if Amit will click on all apps, okay, Amit can work on these applications. Okay, these all applications Amit can work. Correct. Okay, see, in Office 65, basically, okay, basically what's happening? We have a feature of Delve, DELV, Delve. Delve is a feature in Office 65 which will help you to know about your company employee information. Anyone can know about anyone. Okay, through a Delve, okay, application. Means it's a complete cloud solution. Okay, it's a complete business solution for office applications and office softwares. So it's definitely a very good choice for a company. Right, so it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, now next thing, we can set a message size restriction. Message size restriction means, it means, guys, see, by default in Office, okay, I will show you. By default in Office, okay, 65, what's happening? Any user and any user who is present in Office 65 now will be able to send a message to anyone having a 35 MB of file, and any user can receive 36 MB of file maximum. This is a by default 35 MB sending size maximum and 36 MB receiving size maximum. But according to my company policy, okay, the senior engineer, okay, and according to a company project and policies, okay, we don't need to give a 35 MB sending and 36 MB receiving maximum size. Okay, we want to give a 10 MB of data, a 10 MB sending and 10 MB receiving. Means how would we restrict message size restriction for user? Restrict message size restriction. For user. Right. So how to restrict? So we can just go to these options. Sorry. Okay, I mean admin button. Na, see. So Amit can send anyone to any messages of 35 MB of maximum sending and 36 MB of maximum receiving. But I don't want to give a 35 MB of sending and 36 MB of receiving size of anything. So I want to restrict a message size restriction. Restrict message size. So click on show all and go to Exchange. Through Exchange, we can restrict a user, that a user will not be able to send a message to anyone more than this size that I will say. By default, sending maximum size is 35 MB, and by default, receiving maximum size is 36 MB. Okay, we'll click on Exchange. First thing, set default message size restrictions. If I will click here, so for every user in this account will be the same. But okay, I only want to set for Amit. So I will click on Amit. We'll click on message size restriction. So you are able to see message size restriction. And by default, send message size is 35840 KB. Means how many MB?
35.
Okay. I can
35.
show you. Okay, through a calculator, I can show you. 35840. 35840 divided by 1024, right?
1024.
Because 1024 KB means 1 MB, 35 MB, right? And receiving maximum size is by default. This is a by default. I can change it. 36,864. 36,864 divide by 1024. 1024. How much? 36. Right. Okay, I want to give 10 MB. So I will give here 10240, right?
Yes, sir.
Receiving size also 10 GB. Okay, click on save. So now you see, all of you are able to see setting updated. This may take up to 5 minutes to these changes to appear. Okay, after 5 minutes, changes will appear, and Amit will be not able to send a message to anyone more than 10 MB. And Amit will not be able to receive a message from anyone more than 10 MB. Okay, this setting will take 5 minutes approx. So in this way, guys, we can set a message size restriction Okay, and also we have a lot of options. You are able to see mail flow. We can control a mail flow. We can set the alert. If any spam message will come, there will be alert. So this kind of thing, basically the person who are working in a cloud, they are sitting. Okay, as per the L3 level. For you, only the user management of basic thing is important, which I given to you. Okay, because we have a lot of settings, more than 1,000 settings. And okay, if you will go to Google, there is a certification for the Exchange server. There is a certification for Office 65. You can see Office 365 administrator, administration certification. See. Okay. 70346 is the exam code. Okay. I have the certification. See. Microsoft 365 Enterprise Administrator. See. For Microsoft 365, there is a multiple certification. Okay, in this I have a security associate and I have certified enterprise administrator expert. These two on a Microsoft 365. But once you have a good experience in IT industry, then you can plan for the certification, because a lot of knowledge you require, a lot of knowledge. PowerShell knowledge, scripting knowledge is also required. You are able to see here, we have a portal. You are seeing this one. This one is a cloud sale. You can, this one is a cloud sale. If I will click here, you will see the cloud sale open. Means I can do all this work through a PowerShell. Base sale. Okay, maybe someone is listening about a base scripting, PowerShell scripting. Okay, I can, okay. Actually, I don't have a subscription, so I can't use it. Okay, I'm using a free trial. You're seeing? An Azure subscription, needs Azure subscription for this. Right. Yeah. You want a certification for Microsoft 365 or Office 65? I want for Office 65. See, this is only certification for Office 65. This much. You don't require any certification right now. The basic knowledge, if you have, will be only enough. So is it clear what we discussed today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means everything of users will be managed by you, only required a knowledge and a good hands-on experience, so that firstly you can work.
Sir, for the mail thing, you have enabled the SFTP. That IMAP and POP per default were already enabled.
Yes, it's already enabled. Okay, IMAP POP is already enabled in every Office 65 account. Okay. Now I see. Now, for example, I'm going to block signing. Okay, I want. Okay, I'm going to click on block signing. Okay, block is 02 signing. Now Amit will not be able to sign in. Okay, you can wait for a minute. Okay. Amit is now blocked from signing. They will automatically be signed out of all Microsoft services within 60 minutes. Means whatever Amit is using. For example, okay, now Amit left a company. Amit has resigned. Okay, Amit has given a resignation, completed a notice. Now Amit is not a part of my company, so I can block Amit profile. Okay, and then I can delete. Correct. So now Amit will not be able to log in. Okay, maybe Amit will log in right now, but 60 minutes it's taking time off. For example, Amit is going to log in a Outlook. Outlook.com. See, what is error? Something went wrong, right? Click on more details. You will see client IP address. This one, that is it. This one is not able to log in. Means Amit is not able to log in. Correct. Because I blocked the signing. क्योंकि मैंने sign in block कर रखा है. If I will allow the signing, Amit will be able to log in. Unblock signing. It will take up to 15 minutes until this user can sign in again. Because okay, it's taking a time but working. All the services. Okay, now unblocked. It will take a 15 minutes to able to sign in again. Right. Now, okay, now this account is not working. Okay, it will take a time. Okay, 5, 10, 15 minutes is the maximum time, and then Amit will be able to log in again. So it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, as an admin, okay, I can see in Amit OneDrive which kind of data are present. Maybe देख सकता हूँ. Okay, see 10240 ना GB. 1 TB of space getting right, Amit.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So
Yes, sir.
company will pay the amount according to it. Okay, I want to edit. I'm going to click on edit. Okay, I'm not giving a permission of default size. I'm giving permission of GB. Okay, 1 GB. The error is happening because Amit account is not enabled now. That's why. Correct. Okay, now what Amit will save in their document. Okay, manage external sharing. Okay, Amit want to share some document, right? From the portal, okay, I can give a permission. Allow sharing to authenticated guest users. Only allow sharing with users in the directory. Means Amit can only share the document to. Okay, Amit can't change this thing. Amit cannot change this thing. Correct. Amit will be only able to share a document to the users who is present in their directory. Right. Okay. Now create link to files. Means if Amit account will enable, na, so I can do everything. See, this is by default link for Amit files. Okay, that I can access what. Okay, if I will click on this link, I can access. Okay, what Amit have, Amit ke paas hai, right? This is Amit account, na? Okay, I will show you. Means as an admin, I can see what Amit is using, what Amit is sharing. Amit क्या यूज कर रहा है, क्या शेयर कर रहा है, किससे शेयर कर रहा है, who are editing their files, everything I can watch. This is Amit OneDrive, right? Okay, I can manage external settings. Okay, as I told you, means okay, we have a lot of options. बहुत सारे options हमारे पास. Depends upon a knowledge you can utilize it because it's literally very helpful for a corporate industry. I'm just going to signing now. In a mail also we have a lot of options. Automatic reply, these all things. So yeah, Amit can upload their photo, choose photo. Okay, if okay, there is any picture, Amit can upload their picture. For okay, this Amit picture, for example. Okay, this is some okay screenshot of the class. User photo updated. Right. So okay, after a minute, okay, I will log in with Amit user. You can will show you the OneDrive permission something. Means all the option is clear visible. You just need to know because option is also written. What is the meaning is also written. क्या मतलब वो भी लिखा हुआ है. You are admin. You can enable and disable the policies and permissions according to their according to your company working style, their policies and all. Okay, now if Amit can log in, I'm going to check. Amit will not be able to log in, right? Because it will take 15 minutes of time. Correct. So I hope it's clear what we discussed today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat the DLV del command?
DLP,
Yes.
DLP,
DLV.
I'm listening this for first time.
Sir, you told something Delvi.
Good. Oh, Delvi. Okay, that on Delvi. Okay, it's actually a you can say organization social site. It's actually organization social site. Means what's happening under this account. Okay, in this eVision IT company, how many users are working? Correct. I want to contact with some HR. Correct. So okay, we have a Delve is a service here. Right. So how many users are present? People are present. I can see about that one people, their contact number. Okay, I can communicate with the people. Okay, regarding some document, regarding some files. Correct.
Okay.
See, give Delve to work with, store and share a document where Delve can get to them, such as in a OneDrive for business. Means you want to send a document to a people, right? Company want send through a Delve because of the okay, everyone can view. Means okay, the admin can view what are you sending. Okay, see, this is my profile, right?
Yes.
Okay, add project you are working on, add skills, and means whatever you are adding, you can add here. My OneDrive. This is my OneDrive. So basically, Delve is a means like a okay a working you can say like a working portal where all the people will work together. Okay, and will fulfill their work. Okay, will take a help from someone. Means it's like a connection of peoples for any work. Is a Delve okay is happening to Delve service. We have multiple service here. बहुत सारी सर्विस हमारे पास.
Okay, sir.
Kazla, List, Power App, Planner, people, Stream, Sway, To Do, Viva Site. This is a service from Microsoft. Yammer, Visio, Whiteboard. Lot of services we have. Bookings. See the bookings. Okay, I haven't used this all things. Many we have used here. Okay. You can okay, I haven't used this service actually. मैंने कभी यूज नहीं किया. Okay. You consider a calendar, your business type. Okay. Booking means like online appointment. For example, what's happening? Like give a calendar name. The working hour you can set. Means someone want to meet with you. When? On a Monday. 8 to 5 p.m. Okay, okay, Tarun want to meet. He's administrator. Next. People in my organization. Who can book an appointment? People in my organization. Okay, so automatically, okay, it will give you notice like, okay, you have booked an, okay, means it's an online appointment. Okay, I haven't used this thing, right? See, all calendar booking.
Yes.
Means Tarun will be off work from 5:30 to this one. Means, okay, I haven't used actually these all services. Lot of services we have, a lot of service. Office 65, the company is paying the amount not only for a mail and all, lot of services, online appointment, network management, all things happening through.
Cloud computing available in Microsoft Azure, na, sir.
What?
Complete package of cloud computing available on Microsoft Azure.
Yes. But okay, now you don't understand about Azure and all. आपको Azure वगैरह समझ में नहीं आएगा. That's for the people who have a 1 year of minimum experience, 6 months of minimum experience in IT field.
Okay.
You can try to run Azure.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yes.
On which platform is AWS, sir?
Amazon platform. Amazon company cloud service.
Okay.
Azure is a Microsoft company cloud service.
Okay.
That's why. GCP is also a cloud, Google computing platform. Sorry, Google Cloud platform is a okay, Google Cloud service.
So in between these three, which one we should pick, sir?
If you are going on a Windows, I'm sorry, if you are working on a system engineer profile, right? So
Yes.
for you, Azure will be the best. Microsoft Azure. Because these all things you will get there. Windows server will help you. You know Active Directory, you know DSCP server, you know WDS server, right? You know group policy. So these things are basics. So that you can, okay, you don't need to run a lot of things in a Azure, correct? Because see, if you are going on AWS, you should have a deeply knowledge on Linux. And if you are going on a Azure, you should have a deeply knowledge on Windows server. So the basics knowledge you know, right? Basics you know, deeply you can run. But about Linux, you are not too much aware, right? You will try to understand from starting. You will run Linux firstly, then you will go for AWS. So it will be difficult. The person who are already working in Linux, for those people, AWS is a good. The person who are working a desktop engineer, system engineer, service desk engineer, for those people, Azure is a good.
But
for
sir,
DTP?
why?
Yes.
So, but why Microsoft suspended sir MCSA course, sir?
MCSA, actually, it's a very basic. It's going on a MCSE now. You can go for MCSE. In a MCSA module has been inbuilt. That's why. Because every certification having some duration. Correct. Azure administration certification was aged 103 when I did Azure admin certification. Now it's an aged 104. Okay. Now Azure Architect having a three level. Okay. Before 6 months ago, there was a 2 certification for Azure architect level. Okay, most high level on a cloud architect level. 2 certification, AZ 303 and AZ 304. Now AZ 305 has been inbuilt. Means the person who want to become a Azure architect expert, they should have a 3 architect certification, 1 admin certification, and 1 support certification. 5 certifications should be in Azure. Then you will become Azure architect. So things are going tough now at time. Okay, next one also I will go for AZ 305. Okay, I have AZ 303 and 304, and AZ 104, 103, but 305 I don't have, so I will go it later. I will plan it later. Once I will get a free time, then I will run. Then I will go for this.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, after 6 months or maybe 1 year, as a desktop engineer, system engineer, what is
See,
the best
First
option
of
in
all,
IT sector?
not go for one year, 6 months.
Okay.
Work 4 and 5 months, not 6 months even. 4 and 5 month work continuation
Okay.
without any kind of thinking. After that, you can start your training on Azure. In the eVision, I am providing a training for Azure as well as.
Okay, sir.
So
Oh,
the peoples are coming right now. Okay, from last 2-3 years. Okay, I've given a training to more than 1,000 students of Azure as well as. Okay, so you can get a training on Azure. Once you will get a knowledge on Azure, then because Azure will take a time. It's not a 45 days of training. Like training will be 2 months or 3 months, and then you will run something from your side, right?
yes, sir.
Because there will be a CLI, lot of CLI, PowerShell scripting and all. So we'll take a time. So 3 months you will have a training period, and then 3 months you will take for your learning purpose, right? Because you can't leave a job as well as अब job छोड़ भी नहीं सकते हो.
Yes, sir.
While working you need to run something. So after 4-5 months you can come, you can start a training on Azure. Once 3 months Azure will take minimum, and after 3 months then you can revise all these things within next 2 months. Correct. Once you will get a
Yes, sir.
perfect knowledge, once means within 1 year you have a 1 year experience in a company. Number one thing, between these you have completed your training, you have a knowledge on Azure cloud. Okay, admin level of knowledge you have, then you can switch a company
Yes,
as a
sir.
cloud
Okay,
administrator.
okay.
So this is a
Thank you.
perfect way that people are following and getting a success.
Thank you, sir.
हेलो
हाँ, hello.
हेलो यस सो मैं पूछा था कि मैं कोडिंग की नॉलेज में मतलब लगती है क्या मतलब मींस एनी
no.
प्रायर टू कोडिंग नॉलेज और यस
कोडिंग की नॉलेज नहीं लगती है क्लाउड में, थोड़ी बहुत चीजें होती है बेसिक्स, जो कोडिंग नहीं, जो आपका कमांड्स है,
अच्छा सीएलआई
जो CLI कमांड्स है.
ओके ओके सर
Sir, how much number? 100 or under 100 or under 300?
What?
Commands, sir, commands.
Commands is not a number. It will be unlimited. You can't count. And commands are easy because you need to.
Yes.
You don't need to remember a command. आपको command याद नहीं रख रही है. You need to know how to make a command. Command बनाया कैसे जाता है? Correct. For example, you want to get some storage account. So, in a basics, I'm giving that how to write a commands. Commands खुद से कैसे लिखे जाए? Because it's not possible for anyone to remember 1,000 commands, right?
Yes,
So it will be better that you can understand it how to make a command.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
If this is a services, so I can make a command like this. So this also I'm giving a training on Azure, so that people are not getting an issue and they are enjoying their job on a cloud as well as after getting experience in a desktop and in a system engineer. Okay.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, once we got selected, so there in the company we are going as an experienced candidate or a fresher solution?
Experience candidate.
Experienced candidate.
Yes.
Okay. So, sir, once this course will be over, can you share some what kind of tickets we used to
Yeah.
get in the real time?
ITIL we will na from Monday we have a topic ITIL, right?
Okay. Okay.
So I will tell you how to create a ticket, which kind of tickets will come, how to solve a ticket, everything I will show you live through
Okay.
a demonstration practical. Don't worry. From Monday we are going to run about ITIL,
Okay.
which is our last pending topic only. Right. Okay, so guys, take care of yourself. We'll meet on Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.